Iko yake thutha wa Ambunge gũcokereria ciikaro ciake, Ambunge marikire nderetini ya gũcenjia icunjĩ itiganĩte cia katiba kũrũmĩrĩra mendekithia marĩa matũmĩtwo nĩ President William Ruto. Rimwe rĩa mendekithia maya arĩ kũmba wabici ya mũtongoria wa mũng'ethanĩro ĩrĩa mũtongoria wa aingĩ Kimani Ichung'wa augĩte ndĩrathondekerwo mũndũ kĩũmbe.
This is a position that we seek to create for posterity. Honorable Speaker, we did pass a constitution in 2010 and created the position of president, an executive president, a deputy president, and their running mates, Honorable Speaker, the running mates of the president and the runners-up in any election, Honorable Speaker, are left out there, not in the cold because they have a role to play. But we want to institutionalize the office of the leader of opposition to an extent that we have a system that can hold government to account.
We want to be able to have a responsible position, one that can also be held to account. Because I believe that even the opposition must be held to account.
The leader of minority cannot take the position of the official opposition leader who was the presidential candidate who was following the person who took the position. Therefore, me, I'm looking at it that the president wants to bring an issue of constitutionality whereby you don't fight the person who was second after the president is just trying to fit. Is just trying to beg for positions.
Ambunge a mũng'ethanĩro makiuga president nĩ ariganĩirwo nĩ waugire gũcenjia gatiba ti gwa bata na atĩ rĩu arageria kũriũkia BBI kũhetũkĩra mũrango wa thutha.
But if it is a parliamentary initiative, the president is not a member of parliament. So how will you say it's a parliamentary initiative and it is initiated by someone outside parliament? And in both cases, whether it's popular or parliamentary, it passes through parliament. The second mistake was the president writing to the speaker. The speaker is a neutral entity in this house. The person to initiate would be the leader of majority, the leader of minority, or an individual member. But expressly, the leader of majority now introduces the motion, but the motion is reading that it was written to the speaker. So there are already two technicalities that makes this initiative run afoul of the law.
How I wish that he went back to his campaign pledges. Our people are suffering. Constitutional amendment, I want to take now his position when he was campaigning. Constitutional amendment is not a priority for this country. The priority is the cost of living. Don't overtax our people. Stop snooping in our funds. If I send money to my mother, that is not income to my mother. It is a transfer of resources.
Ambunge maugĩte wabici ya mũng'ethanĩro ndĩrĩ na bata kwa ihinda rĩrĩ kuona rĩrĩa ambunge mekinyia mbunge-inĩ mathiaga mwena wa arĩa anini na arĩa aingĩ no ti a mũng'ethanĩro na a mwena wa thirikari. Amwe makiuga president ya gũkorwo na kandi hithe na ũguo ndagĩrĩirwo gwĩtĩkĩrio gũcenjia gatiba kũhetũkĩra mbunge. Ambunge morĩtio kũnyita mbaru mendekithia maya marĩa nĩ hamwe na gũthondeka watho wa gũtigĩrĩra kũrĩ na ũigananu gatagatĩ ka athuri na atumia ciikaro-inĩ cia mbunge.
Over time, Honorable Speaker, it may be that it is the other gender, the male gender, that will need affirmative action. You never know. If you look at our society today, Honorable Speaker, the boy child today is more endangered than the girl child. And therefore, those of us who sit in this house as men, we must know our days are numbered. And we must therefore ensure that we make amendments to the Constitution that will protect not just our daughters and our mothers, our aunties and our sisters, but also protect ourselves and our sons, because we are endangered.
Maya no mendekithia tu na mbunge no ĩteanĩrie kana iguithanie namo kũringana na arĩa aingĩ thutha wa gũcuka mĩtĩ. Thutha wa mbunge gũthũrima mendekithia ma gũcenjia katiba marĩa maheanĩtwo nĩ President William Ruto, mendekithia maya megũtwarĩrwo mũingĩ nĩguo ũheane mawoni maguo na mũingĩ nĩguo gũkũruta itua rĩa mũthia kana gatiba ĩgũcenjio kũhetũkĩra mbunge kana kura ya mawoni. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV kuma mũciĩ mũnene wa Nairobi, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwangi wa Maina.